Hello traders, how are you guys doing today? How was the trading day? Um, I remember this morning, I remember making this analysis. The price was around this area. I remember saying that the price may likely dump this area, push to this area, and then before dumping to this very high demand zone. But so unfortunate. I actually make my friends um, in a group. I make this call here, but I miss it by just few clips. I placed it at 4,400 and $4,014, right? $41, something clips, and I missed out on that trade. So, today's a new day, and I have a policy that if I miss a trade, I miss an entry. That's for that day, right? I also mentioned that should be in case price break above this resistance trend line, we may see a rally to this place, a rally to this place, and then push to this level, and then a massive dump down to this level as well, right? So what is there for the market today? Let me load this volume. Right. The structure, there's no any nothing has really tempered with the structure. Okay. Um, you will notice that price has been respecting this trend line, right from here, respecting it, and even today it also respect this trend line, right? But it's important for us to mark out our daily low for this is yesterday's trading market now. For mark out this low because price may likely react to this level. Let's push it backward a bit and see whether it also okay, good. See, it also aligned with the on Tuesday last week. It also aligned to this level, right? Not that price bounced up from here and this place. So this level is a level that we should be looking out for, right? So what's my take on gold today in today's trading market? Most likely, the market is still very, very bearish, and geopolitical tension keep rising. So I will be gold may likely hit 3,900. Most likely, most likely. But of course, as you know, um, I'm expecting this market to come back to this area, right? See this line because this has been a very, very good support line, right? And then maybe rally back to this area, right? Rally back to this area because this area has also been a very good resistance line, then bounce down to 3,900, right? Okay, this is my take on goal, right? I'm looking for self-help throughout my day. However, should be in case Iran or Trump agree on a deal, what will happen if this market comes here, right? It may break, sorry, it comes here, it may break this resistance line, test, maybe push this level, right? Let me okay this let me zoom out, let me go to the right hand. Okay, zoom out a bit and see. Sorry. Let me zoom out a bit and see. And then most likely this market is coming to this area. This is one of the area we should be looking at soon. It should be in case Iran and Trump decided to strike a deal this area. We should be looking at 14, right? So if Trump agrees a deal, that may likely react to this area, and then probably push down again, right? Because you can't trust the deal between Iran and Trump, right? You can agree a deal today, tomorrow they'll come and say something else. So me, I'm not banking on what Trump and Iran are saying. Right? On paper, they are saying we are reaching a deal, we are reaching a deal, and then the next day, Trump is dropping bomb. But anyway, let's check the forest factory for the fundamental aspects. No fundamentals serve as catalyst, right? Serve as catalyst for the market. You notice that any day there is no any fundamental news, the market will not move, right? So it's important that we look out for drivers for the market, right? So I'm recording this video because Nigeria trading is trading is there's no fundamental news tomorrow, Tuesday. So this is music that affect the US dollar apart from the ADP weekly employment change. It's not a very high impact news, right? So yeah, don't have anything. But let's check x.com for news regarding geopolitical events, right? Maintain local. Let me search. Yeah, financial news. There you go. Financial news. Russia Express, Korea, this Korean, Russia, Ukraine war, not over here. These two would be a very, very major. Okay. The Canadian dollar was over with this news. I don't think there's any new development. So I don't expect the market to move down much tomorrow. Honestly, right? Don't expect the market to move down much tomorrow, right? Because there's no any fundamental catalyst, right, that will propel the market, that bring in much volatility into the market. There's no any fundamental driver apart from the geopolitical tension between Iran and Trump. So, guys, I wish you guys the best. This video is not unedited, not as if I can edit it. I'm a videographer, but I want to keep it the way it is. Any mistake you notice in the video, my apologies for that, right? So, but that's my take. Almost the same structure of yesterday, nothing new, nothing different. So I wish you guys the best in your trading experience today. So, cheers, signing out.